Chapter 11. Past Tense. Let's warm up, initiative and self-direction. Answer the following questions. A. Write any two means of transport used in old time. Boats. Riding animals. B. Write any two means of communication used in old time. Hand gestures. Heliographs. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. I wrote a letter to my mother. They went to Kolkata yesterday. What do you observe? Let's learn conceptual learning. The verbs in the above sentences are in the simple past tense. When we express some past habits, we often use yesterday, ago, last, etc., forming the simple past tense. We just use subject plus second form of verb. Examples: A. She wrote a letter. B. She went to the market. We use it to express some past habits. Example: they usually worked at night. We use the simple past tense for actions that took place at some time in the past and are over now. Examples: A. She revised her lesson last night. B. She lived in this house for 2 years. Past continuous tense. A plane was flying in the sky. They were walking towards the market. The verbs in the above sentences are in the past continuous tense. It is used to express an action that was going on, that was continuing at some time in the past, forming the past continuous tense. We use subject plus was were plus ing form of the verb. Examples: A. The kite was flying. B. They were walking. C. It was raining. Past perfect tense. She had lost much money. The girl had learnt her lesson. The verbs in the above sentences are in the past perfect tense. We form past perfect tense by using the past tense of the verb to have and the past participle of the verb, forming the past perfect tense. We use subject plus had plus third form of the verb. Examples: A. You had taught. B. I had written. C. She had dialed. Past perfect continuous tense. She had been suffering from fever for 4 days. The patient had been crying with pain since evening. The verbs in sentences show the past perfect continuous tense, forming the past perfect continuous tense. We use subject plus had been plus first form of the verb plus ing. Examples: A. He had been singing. B. You had been dancing. C. I had been advising. Literacy skills. Let's read. Read the passage aloud and observe past form of verbs. One day, a boy named Rachit decided to plant a magical mango tree. Rachit sat down. Then, he dug a hole in the ground. He planted a seed and the tree grew. The tree grew so fast. Within a day it was already taller than the boy. This is what made the tree a magical tree. It grew very quickly. Soon, the tree had delicious mangoes that hung from its branches. Rachit knew what he wanted to do. He wanted to make pickles of mango with the mango from the tree. Rachit shook the tree and mangoes fell to the ground. He picked up the mangoes off of the ground and took them inside the kitchen. There, he cut the mangoes into tiny pieces and made pickle. He sat down and ate the delicious mango pickle from his magical mango tree.